Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to fix Netflix games not showing on TV. If Netflix games are not showing on your TV, do not worry, this is a common issue that can be fixed easily. First, make sure that Netflix TV supports games and not all smart TVs have this feature, so check compatibility. Next, check if your Netflix app is updated on your TV. Go to the App Store on your TV and install the latest version. Now restart your TV and reopen the Netflix app again. Sometimes the game section appear after a research. Then make sure you're logged in into the correct Netflix account and your subscription is active. If the games still do not appear, try signing out and signing back into Netflix. Also check your internet connection because slow Wi-Fi can hide certain features. If nothing works, uninstall and reinstall the Netflix app on your TV. Now your Netflix game should appear correctly. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next guide.